If you're looking to send emails directly from your CRM, this quick tutorial will show you how to do it in just a few minutes. Whether you're managing customer relationships or running a business, being able to send emails directly from your CRM can save you time and make your communication more efficient. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a free trial for the software we'll be using in this tutorial, exclusive to viewers of my channel. So let's get right into it. First, you want to make sure that your CRM is set up correctly for sending emails. Most CRM platforms allow you to integrate your email accounts, and that's the key step here. You'll need to connect either your Gmail, Outlook, or any other email service provider you're using. Simply go to the Settings or Integration section of your CRM and look for the Email or SMTP settings. This is where you'll connect your email. Once you've connected your email account, it's time to create your email templates. These templates are great for streamlining your communication and saving time. You can easily set up standard templates for things like welcome emails, follow-ups, or promotional messages. In your CRM, look for an email templates or automation section to create and store these messages. After your templates are ready, you can start sending emails directly from your CRM. It's usually as simple as selecting the contact or contacts you want to email, choosing the template you've created, and hitting send. Some CRMs even allow you to personalize the templates by automatically inserting contact details like first names, which makes your emails feel more personal. If you're looking to automate your emails further, many CRM platforms offer automation workflows. These workflows can be triggered by certain actions, like a new sign-up or a customer making a purchase. Setting up automation allows you to send out emails on a schedule without lifting a finger. You can set up these workflows in the automation section of your CRM, where you'll define the trigger and choose the email template to be sent. Now, if you're using a CRM for your business, you'll also want to track the results of your emails. Most CRM platforms offer built-in analytics to help you understand how well your emails are performing. You can track open rates, click-through rates, and even replies. These insights are crucial for improving your email marketing strategy and ensuring your messages reach the right people at the right time. The software we'll be using today has all of these features, and it's really intuitive. It allows you to easily send emails, automate your marketing, and track your performance all in one place. And if you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've got a special free trial for you, exclusive to my channel. You can grab that in the description below. So, to recap, to send emails directly from your CRM, make sure to first connect your email account, create your templates, and use automation workflows if you want to take it to the next level. Also, remember to track your email performance to continually optimize your strategy. The key takeaway here is that sending emails directly from your CRM can significantly streamline your communication and improve your business processes. And if you want to dive deeper into this, be sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.